And she does. She will immediately go toe on up to the high bar, kip cast handstand, beautifully done. Now the blind half Jaeger coming up right here. Perfectly done for Jessie Jordan. Handstand right up on top. Now the overshoot handstand, very nicely done. Toe shoot back up to the high bar. She's working nice bars, Jessie Jordan is. Hot. Now the giant, second giant. Now the double lay, and she T-bones the landing. The first stuck landing of the night for the Tigers. Very nicely done. She'll move now into her switch leap straddle quarter combination, and there it is, into the straddle quarter. Nicely done, and is now a hometown Tiger. Beautiful front aerial, right into Charlotte Williams. Beat jump, into her sheep jump. Nice, got her feet. Now setting up for the dismount, the flip-flop, lay out, pull up, stuck the landing. Switch leap, and then the intermediate switch leap into the half beat jump. Now she goes front aerial straddle jump quickly. She has plenty of experience in those. Backhand, layout, step out. Gorgeous effort there by skill and poise beyond her years. Gainer Pike off the end is solid for the Tigers. Quickly goes round off. 1.5 step out into the round off backhand double tuck right on the money. The second pass. Round off back 1.5. Very nicely done. Savona. Final tumbling pass here for Savona. Round off backhand double pike is right on the money. And now Jessica Savona breaks into a big smile. Now she prepares for the first tumbling pass. Round off backhand, the double lay. Nice. Throws that and will come straight toward us. She will go round off backhand, the 2.5 and the punch front. Beautifully executed. Big smile in front of Dee Dee Brown. It'll be a round off into the backhand and then a big double pike. Just a slight lunge back, a little bit more than what will be credited. So pass, round off, backhand, the big double lay. Yes, indeed. For Lloimincia Hall. Here it comes, front handspring, front pull, front lay. Beautiful. Fine score. Round off, backhand, big double tuck. Yes, a 2-point landing. Throws the head and the hands back. The best effort of the season so far. 49-6-5 away from a perfect 197 score. Here's Jessie Jordan's vault. Yurchenko. Oh, yes, indeed. Holy cow, what a beautiful vault to start for the Tigers. And here's the freshman, or the sophomore now from Lake Mary, Florida. Down the runway. Will she go with the 1.5? She just goes with the Yurchenko full instead and takes a hop back on the landing. Gymnast working here in the arena at the moment. Down the runway she goes, round off handspring, huge height and distance, and a hop back on the landing.
The team had a lot of fight tonight. You know, there's a little mistakes here and there, but really what defines us is how we come back from that. Our team rallied together and fought to the end, and we did what we could.
Talk about I felt really good about it. I mean, we had mistakes here and there, but we didn't let that affect us. You know, we kept fighting and fighting and fighting, and we kept lifting each other back up, and that's what a team's supposed to do. You know, be there for each other in tough times, and I'm just really proud of us coming together as a family tonight.
We really pulled it together on floor, and we just made the floor our own, and we had such a positive energy, and everyone fought for every single landing, and we went to vault and we created more positive energy, and we wanted it so bad. It didn't matter what the scores were or what other people were doing. We were only focusing on each other and ourselves as a team, and I think we did a great job, and the rest of the season is going to be great.